totally do.
Forgot all about it.
Unless my hair's down.
I know you'll have fun with them.
Those are absolutely disgusting.
Mama,
Absolutely hideous.
I had a blast of me. In the dollar bin at Target.
Those are absolutely disgusting.
Alright, you can open it, kiddo. See what it is. It's yours.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. You just probably take the lid right. Oh, what a cute penguin. There you go. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a sweater and jeans.
that's awesome.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, but not as much as my Rescue Railway.
Oh, face again.
It's not nearly as cool as my Imagination Adventure series.